In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Afghan ambassador meets the Afghan business community at the 10th China South Asia Expo. International Federation reaffirms continued support for the Afghan Red Crescent. And the Swiss voters cast ballots on proposed 10 million population cap by 2050. Welcome to our news package. It's Sunday, the 28th of Zulhijjah al-Haram, 1447, the 24th of Jawza 1405, and the 14th of June 2026. The news details. Sheikh Shahabuddin Delaware, the president of Afghan Red Crescent Society, met with Jagan Chapakin, the Secretary General of the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Society, IFRC, and Hassan Faisal, the Federation's head of delegation for Afghanistan. During the meeting, Maulavi Delaware expressed appreciation for the Federation's financial and technical assistance for the Afghan Red Crescent and discussed the humanitarian situation in Afghanistan, emphasizing the need for continued international support. The IFRC Secretary General meanwhile conveyed his condolences to the family of two Afghan Red Crescent staff members who recently lost their lives and reaffirmed the Federation's commitment to sustaining humanitarian assistance and cooperation with the organization. Maulavi Abdul Wali Haqqani, the Deputy Minister for Health Service Delivery in the Ministry of Public Health, described blood donation as a reflection of humanity, brotherhood, and Islamic values during a public awareness event marking the World Blood Donor Day. Maulavi Haqqani stated that if every individual donated blood once or twice a year, thousands of lives across the country could be saved. He called upon all citizens to fulfill their social and humanitarian responsibility by actively participating in blood donation initiatives. The news continuation. The Ministry for the Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice, and Hearing of Complaints announced that 15 family disputes and long-standing feuds have been successfully resolved in the provinces of Kabul, Saripol, Helmand, Baghlan, Samangan, and Nimruz. The ministry also reported that 3 individuals were arrested in Anhoy, the district of Faryab province, on charges related to the sales of alcohol beverages. And ultimately, Swiss citizens participated today in a significant national referendum on proposal that would limit the country's population to a maximum of 10 million people by the year 2050. In accordance with Reuters, supporters of the initiative argue that rising immigration has placed considerable pressure on public services, the housing market, and the country's infrastructure. The outcome of the vote is expected to play an important role in shaping Switzerland's future immigration and population policies. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our loyal viewers blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.